Hey guys, Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and today we have with us a very interesting product. We have the Dell Precision 5530 mobile workstation. Now, this is not an ordinary workstation, this is the Dell's thinnest, lightest, and the smallest 15-inch mobile workstation which you can find in the market. It comes with a lot of features like enhanced graphics, great design, best in class display, and much more. So in this video we will have a look at the device and we will see whether this is the best mobile workstation that you can find in the market. So let's get started. Talking first about the design and build quality, company has given a special attention to the overall design language here. As we mentioned, this is the Dell's thinnest and lightest mobile workstation that you can find in the market. This is the brushed onyx variant. You also have the platinum silver option available in the market. Good thing about the design is that company has given you this 15.6-inch display in a 14-inch form factor. This has been made possible due to the Infinity Edge display that you get on this laptop with almost bezel-less experience. The laptop weighs under 2 kg. It is well actually under 1.8 kg, 1.78 kg to be precise, which makes it the thinnest mobile workstation we have ever tested. If you are out there in the market, you need great performance but at the same time a good looking workstation which is not boring and dull, then Dell Precision 5530 excels in the design and build quality department. Now coming to the display, company has given you this Infinity Edge display with 4K premier color. You get this virtually bezel-less experience over here, and company is using the Exo 4 display which gives you better contrast ratios, better touch support and great picture quality. At the same time it consumes less power, thereby giving you a better battery life. Now you can see the display looks very premium. This is a UHD, that is 4K resolution display. You can do any kind of task on this display, whether it's color correction, video editing, general work or any other kind of stuff. The display is very accurate when it comes to color reproduction and giving you a great viewing experience at the same time. This is undoubtedly one of the best displays that we have seen in any mobile workstation. You can see the web camera is present below the display. This is to give you a better viewing experience and to make the borders thinner on the top. Coming to the connectivity features, on one side you will find the memory card reader, USB 3.1 port, battery status button which tells you the battery without turning on the laptop, and the security lock. On the other side you have this power adapter port, then you get one more USB 3.1 port, HDMI 2.0 port, Thunderbolt 3 port and an headphone jack so that you can connect your headphones. So company has paid attention and given you all the connectivity features that you want in a mobile workstation. You don't need any adapters for this workstation. Coming to the performance part, this machine is a beast. You have the option to get the 8th gen Intel i-Core i9 processor, or you can go with the Xeon 6 core processor, and they give you the best in class performance. You also get the Nvidia Quadro P2000 graphics card option over here, which gives you this intense upgraded graphics where you can even use it for video editing or color corrections without any hiccups. In terms of RAM and storage as well, you get the top of the line hardware. You can get up to 32 GB of 2666 MHz memory. You can expand the storage. You have various storage options and you can get up to 3 terabytes of SSD storage, thereby giving you the best performance that you can find in a mobile workstation. Now we tried Adobe Premiere Pro here, we tried benchmarks, 3D Mark, we even tried gaming on this laptop, though this is a mobile workstation, but who knows, if you are bored and want to play some games, the device can handle it all. Whether it's your day-to-day application, whether it's your high-end graphics editing, whether it's Adobe Premiere Pro, whether it's Photoshop or any other kind of application, you can throw at it and it will run it smoothly. To give you the overall productivity edge over other laptops, they have given you this Dell Precision Optimizer here, which gives you this tuned performance and it comes free with your Precision workstation. It delivers faster application optimization with a single click. It automatically tunes your workstation to run popular ISV application at the maximum speed possible. So everything seems to be working in favor of this mobile workstation, but what about the battery? So you have the option of opting for either 3-cell battery or a 6-cell battery depending upon how frequent you travel with your laptops, and you won't be disappointed with the battery life. It's pretty good. Now you also have this option to use the Dell Precision accessories with your laptop. You have the Dell Business Thunderbolt dock, you have the Dell 27-inch ultra sharp monitor, you have Dell Premium Wireless keyboard and mouse, and some other accessories like Timbuktu Authority for Dell, that is 15-inch laptop carry bag. You have portable Thunderbolt 3 SSD, you have Dell USB-C mobile adapter, and much more available for this Precision 5530. So overall, we know this particular 15-inch mobile workstation is not for everyone, but if you are a business owner, if you are a content creator, if you are a video editor, or if you are someone who needs the best mobile workstation, then this should be on top of your list. This is undoubtedly one of the best 15-inch mobile workstation we have ever tested, and if you want to buy one, you can visit the Dell website and get one for yourself. You do have the option to customize it while purchasing. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button present just below the video.